I recently visited to Sri Lanka and from there which caught my eyes that this recipe is nothing than a Sri Lankan eggplant moju or batu moju is a delicious sweet and savory eggplant dish that you should definitely make for your next time menu. This dried version of classic eggplant moju is packed with flavor, really good to make ahead of time. It can last a really long time without going bad. Hello and welcome back to Cooking Studio. And this is Smita. So let's begin today's recipe, a Sri Lankan special dish that is eggplant moju. And the ingredients are sliced onion, cube onion, ginger garlic paste, red chili flakes, salt and sugar, tomato ketchup, green chili and red chili, some dried fish. If you don't want to add this fish, you can always add mustard powder and with that vinegar and our lovely brinjal. Though in this recipe you need to take small brinjal cut into thin slices. Now in a pan add 4 tablespoons of mustard oil. Though this recipe is always done in coconut oil, I am just not familiar with coconut oil, so I am using mustard oil. Though its taste will be marvelous using this oil too. Now once the oil heat up, then add 1 medium-sized onion cut into cubes. Fry it in a medium flame until it turns golden brown and then remove it from the pan and keep aside for the later part of the recipe. I like to mention you one thing. In place of cube onion, you can use shallot as this recipe demand for baby shallot. After removing the fried cube onions into that same oil, we need to add sliced brinjal. Over here, I have used 250 grams of brinjal cut into thin slices. After adding the brinjal, add half teaspoon of salt and fry it until it turns golden. Though no need to fry too much or it will turn soggy. And once you are done with frying, again you need to remove this brinjal too. So you know that this recipe is also called brinjal pickle, or as we can say it's Wambatu Moju or Batu Moju in Sinhalese language of Sri Lanka. Adds a layer of taste that is pure joy to sink your taste bud into. Now remove the brinjal and into that same oil add 1 medium-sized onion cut into thin slices. Then add 2 to 3 green chili and red chili. Fry it for 2 to 3 minutes in a high flame. And then we need to add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Again saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. Though this combo of sweet and sour, the crunch of the shallot and the deep fried brinjals all work well to give you this vegetable pickle. After adding ginger garlic paste, you add 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce. Next add half teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Now stir it for 1 to 2 minutes. Then we need to add add half teaspoon of chili flakes. Though remember, while adding chili flakes or chili, it always depends upon your taste bud. Next add 2 to 3 dry fish soaked in hot water, then wash it and then add. Though this is optional, you can always add mustard seed paste in place of this dry fish. And then add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Stir well and cook it in a low flame for 2 to 3 minutes or until oil starts to release from this. As when it turns like this, it's time to add our fried cube onion and the brinjal slices. After that, mix everything well and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Don't overcook it or the brinjal will be soggy. After mixing well, so the spices are coated all together nicely with the brinjal. Then switch off the flame and sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves from top and serve it hot with rice. Well, our Sri Lankan Brinjal Moju is ready to serve. And if you ever get opportunity to taste the sour brinjal curry, if you ever set food in a Sri Lankan restaurant or home, the dish is a classic and found in most Sri Lankan menus and I hope you will never miss it. Though before going to Sri Lanka, you can also try eat this recipe in your comfort zone. And if you think today's recipe is worth it and you really like it, then don't forget to subscribe my channel Cooking Story and hit the bell icon so when I upload a new recipe, you get the notification first. Till then, stay healthy, stay wealthy, enjoy Cooking Stories. See you again with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye-bye.